Well, if you're not a tree hugger, you might want to become one soon. A recent report has revealed that more than 1 in 3 tree species are at risk of extinction. A new scientific assessment has found that nearly 38% of the world's tree species are now facing extinction. The numbers paint an alarming picture. Out of an estimated 58,000 species thought to exist globally, over 16,000 tree species are threatened with extinction. The threatened tree species now outnumber threatened birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians combined. This was revealed in first global tree assessment published in an update of the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species. The report was issued to coincide with the UN's COP16 summit on biodiversity.
We have assessed the status of the majority of the world's tree species. So that's about 47,000 species, and of those 1 in 3, or 38% of them, are threatened with extinction. And that is a real concern because trees are really a vital component of the world's biodiversity, and much of the world's biodiversity, including people, are entirely dependent on trees for their livelihoods, for their well-being, for food, for shelter. Trees play an essential role in terms of the carbon cycle, water cycles, nitrogen cycle.
The Global Tree Assessment notes that trees are being cut down for logging and to clear lands for farming and human expansion. Climate change, drought, and wildfires are also playing a destructive role.
It's primarily led by climate. Our climate is changing really rapidly, and the trees, they're a slow growing organism. They really do struggle to adapt to the very rapid change in climatic conditions. Like today, we're in autumn, coming to the end of autumn, we should be going into early winter, and we're still really warm. That sun's still got a lot of heat, and that's really starting to affect the trees. It's increasing the growing season.
Now, the species of trees that face the highest risk of extinction include horse chestnut and ginkgo, both known for their medical applications. The big leaf mahogany used in furniture making and several magnolia and eucalyptus species are also severely threatened. Over 5,000 of the tree species on the IUCN Red List are used for construction, timber, and more than 2,000 are used for medicines, food, and fuels. The study says islands are particularly vulnerable with the highest proportion of threatened trees due to forest clearance. Invasive species, pests, and diseases further exacerbate the threats. The study cites South America, which boasts the world's highest tree diversity. Over 3,000 out of the 13,668 assessed species are at risk. This is primarily due to deforestation for agriculture and livestock rearing.